the microphone to Gianmario.
So, first of all, thank you very much, Giovanni. So I'll give you a very quick update of what's going on in this community. So I'll run very fast, then we can we can talk later if you got some questions. So this group essentially no, it doesn't. Okay, thanks. So this group was founded 1 year ago, 1 year and 2 months ago, and the speed at which the members that today we have 500 people, and the average is that every event that we publish we got around 80 new users, right? So it's a very good growth rate. We've done 6 events and with 8 different speakers, and we even opened a YouTube channel where all of those recordings will be published. So I want to thank again Giovanni for letting us come in here in this very cool location at Deloitte. This is just an example of our previous host. We did the last event in Pirelli, and all of the previous events we did in the Polytechnic of Milan. So if you're interested on being the next host, please come speak with me. I will go very fast here. I think this is already available. There's a link I send on the mailing list, or it's also on the links page on the meetup. If you go to the www.datasciencemilan.org, you're gonna find the page with the link. So this is the results of the survey, but I would say we can skip it because you can see it offline. Yeah, skip. All right, so skip again. Okay, this is what I want to talk. So how many people are new? This is the first event for you. Okay, so everyone is still here. Okay, essentially what we have done so far was we are a meetup community. So meetup communities, as every meetup community, we meet every month or 2 and we do some tech talks. So this is the way we started, and we will continue doing it. But we want to grow. We want to do something else. We want to take this community to the next level. So we have a clear vision. We want to become one of the main hub of anything around data science in Milan, but possibly why not extending in the north of Italy. So the idea is that we want to have a very frequent events. So far we had 1 event every 2 months. So it was 6 in 14 months. So not bad, but we can do better. We're looking for partnerships with other communities, companies, institutions, and we're even building this network of startups and digital freelancers in the topic of data science. So this is the vision, and the common goal, the common value is that everything is around open discussions, collaborations, and knowledge sharing. This is the core values of this community. Just to give you a few examples, we're creating some dedicated newsletter for promotions and external events. So we don't want to promote just what we organize, but we want to support also other communities, other organizations in their events, as long as we meet in terms of values. We're going to create a website, a job board. We're organizing startup pitches, and as I said, we're also trying to build this sort of professional network. Just to give you a few examples, we'll be in Mikamai next month, and we got this company KX. It's an English company based in London, and they will be the sponsor of this event. And it's a particular event because there's a tech talk, but because they got some fund, they're looking for startups to invest. So if you work in a startup or any startup here in Milan or around that would be interested for a pitch, then we have some slots available for the next month. And then in May, we'll be in Bergamo. So we say, why just being here in Milan? There's a lot of people in Bergamo working as a data scientists, data engineers, and there's not any meetup community there. So we kind of partnering with the IC team. So they will be the host in Bergamo, and hopefully there will be another group that will born in Bergamo. And in June is to be defined, but we already have some contact with Think Big, so we'll probably do another event with them. Quickly, as I say, the startup network that we're building, so any startup that you work or you have some friends or you know that work in one of the following categories, then please recommend. It's really important we start connecting the data geeks with the business world as well. We also partnering with, we're looking for partnerships with other groups. There's a lot of groups. These are all based in Milan. Not all of them, but most of them. And so I'm going and meeting with the founders, with the other organizers. I really would like to not have a fragmented, communities, but why not joining the forces? What's the point of everyone trying to promote his own little thing when we can think big? So we have been elected as ambassadors for the Chatbot Summit. So all of you got a discount of 20%. If any of you would be interested in becoming an ambassador, then you will probably get also a free ticket here. Then there's another event next month. The organizer is actually sitting here, so you can speak with him if you have any questions later. It's an event about artificial intelligence and deep learning. So if you're interested in participating, then you can speak with Leonardo directly. He's the guy over there. As I said, very important, if we want to make this community to grow and do all the things that we just mentioned, that we really need sponsorship. So if you are interested in becoming one of the sponsors, this is what we need. This doesn't cost that much. We have a lot to offer, and the top selling point will probably be that popularity. You can become the long-term partner for the data science community in Milan. So you have a lot to gain. But what is really important is not just what is the roadmap and what's the plan, but if we really want to make this happening, we need you. So next slide. This is a list of areas where we really need volunteers. Okay, so so far it was mainly me and a couple of collaborators that helped me in the single events. But what we want to do next is to create a staff, a team. So we need some people helping in the events organization, someone taking care of the social media, a photographer, someone going and connecting with the startups. We need some agent for the conferences. Remember that we are 500 people in the community. If you go to any conference, you can get some discount. We need someone to represent the community. We're looking for ambassadors. We're looking for graphic designers. We want to do things cool. We look for fundraisers. Speakers, someone that can find speakers for the next talks, and someone that can take care of the website that we're still developing. So my suggestion is, if you're really motivated, if you really want to contribute, you want to be part of the action, then join the crew. It's fun. Then you can build your professional network, and you can enrich your hard and soft skills. So even if you're not a data science expert, it doesn't matter. So this is your opportunity to become a master. And also, if you're looking for a job, it looks good on your CV, being part of the organization. So come speak with me later this event, or you can drop me an email. You will find all the links at the end. If you don't feel that you have time, but actually it's not that much of time, it just, you're not committed, If you want to help, there's no commitment, it's just what you can do. Moreover, then, if you want to share with us some of the cool projects you're working on, some of ideas, you want any initiative, you want to propose an hackathon, a talk, a panel discussion, whatever you want, then you can submit your proposal. There's a link. Everything is published on the meetup page. This is the one page with all the links, so you can find everything. Then please submit. But very important is this. So how many of you know Slack? Great. Okay. So excellent. We can meet even every month, so we can try to be as more active as possible. But as soon as we finish the event, then we go network, we go having dinner together, and then we meet next month. Okay. And in the meantime, then there's not so much of interaction. So this is the mean that will keep the community active 24/7. So it's a very rich resource. Use it. How many times you go on Stack Overflow looking for answers, and you would like to have someone, to ask a question and get some response, immediately, in real time. Then you can use that. I've seen conversation going like, shall I use this model? Shall I use this regularization technique or whatever? What library do you suggest me? And people, are very keen to answer, to respond, as soon as possible. So please use it and keep it active. So I'm done. This is a list of words that I collected from your feedback from the survey. But so a lot of kind words, but I am the first one to be very thankful. Thank you for being here. Thank you for participating, and thank you for making this community big. So just last advice, we opening on any social media possible, so please abuse of it. There's this Data Science Me, because Data Science Milan, our friends from the university, from the Polytechnic, they stole the name of Data Science Milan. I'm joking. So we didn't, it was already occupied, so we are Data Science Me. But everywhere else we are Data Science Milan. So please tag us, share, follow, whatever. And thank you very much, and enjoy the event. And I want to call our international guest, Patrick.